Definite integrals, part 12.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few problems. So, see the first problem. Find the area bounded between the curves y square equal to 4x, y square equal to 4 into 4 minus 6. See, here given curves y square is equals to 4x. This is equation 1. And y square is equals to 4 into 4 minus x. This is equation 2. So first we need to find the point of intersection of two curves. So here clearly equating both of them, you will get 4x is equals to 4 times of 4 minus x. So 4 get cancelled. Now here 2x is equals to 4. From this x value is 2. So substitute x is equals to 2 in equation 1. So equation 1 implies y square is equals to 8. So clearly y is equals to plus or minus 2 root 2. So therefore the point of intersections are first one A 2 comma 2 root 2 and B 2 comma minus 2 root 2. Okay. Now we have to draw the graphs of y square equal to 4x and y square equal to 4 into 4 minus 6. So consider the coordinate axis. So see here first one y square equal to 4x. So clearly it in the form of y square equal to 4x. So this one represents a parabola and this parabola opens positive x-axis side. So like this. Okay. And here what are the point of intersection of two curves? 2 comma 2 root 2. 2 comma minus 2 root 2. So next one, see here next one is y square equal to 4 of 4 minus x. So this can be written as y minus 0 whole square is equals to minus 4 into x minus 4. So clearly it in the form of y minus k whole square is equals to minus 4a into x minus x. So it represents parabola whose center is what? 4 comma 0. So clearly this is the center of the parabola. And it is the form of y square equal to minus 4x. So clearly this graph represents parabola and this parabola opens negative x-axis side. Okay. And point of intersection of 2 comma 2 root 2, 2 comma minus 2 root 2. This one only. So clearly this is what y square is equals to 4x and this one is what y square is equals to 4 of 4 minus 6. We need to find this area. Okay. Now here the interval is what? 0 to 4. So we have to divide this interval into sub interval. So this one. Now see here, therefore the required area is A is equals to integral. So see here we have to divide the interval sub intervals. One is 0 to 2 and 2 to 4. Okay. And clearly between the 0 to 2 upper curve is y square equal to 4x. So clearly from this y can be written as 2 root x. So right between the interval 0 to 2, 2 root x dx. So clearly the above area and below area both are same. So this one and this one. So both are same. So write 2 times and plus integral 2 to 4. Again this area and this area both are same. So write 2 times of integral 2 to 4. And which curve that is? Upper curve 4 into 4 minus x. So clearly from this y can be written as 2 root 4 minus x. So therefore write here 2 root 4 minus x dx. So this can be written as 2 into 2 4 integral 0 to 2 x to the power of 1 by 2 dx. Again 2 into 2, 4 integral 2 to 4 minus x whole to the power of 1 by 2 dx. Okay. Now you know that integration of x power 1 by 2. See here, that is 4 times of x power 1 by 2 plus 1, that is x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 within the limits 0 to 2, and plus 4 into integration of 4 minus x whole to the power of 1 by 2. So that is 4 minus x whole to the power of 1 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2. So divide by 3 by 2. Here x coefficient is minus is there, right here minus 3. Okay. So within the limits 2 to 4. Now this is 2 into 4, 8 by 3. So apply the upper limit first, 2 power 3 by 2 minus 0, and here 2 into 4 minus 8 by 3. So apply the upper limit first, 4 minus 4 is 0, minus apply the lower limit, 4 minus 2, so 2 power 3 by 2. So clearly here 8 by 3 into 2 power 3 by 2, again plus 8 by 3 into 2 power 3 by 2. This is 2 times of 8 by 3 into 2 power 3 by 2, write as 2 root 2. Okay. So clearly this is 32 by 3 root 2 square units. So this is the required area. So this is the first method. So once you observe the figure, this all 4 areas are equal. So therefore this can be written as, this also can be written as 4 times of integral 0 to 2 root x dx. So clearly this is what? 8 integral 0 to 2 x to the power of 1 by 2 dx. So you know that integration of x power 1 by 2 formula, that is x power 1 by 2 plus 1, that is x power 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 within the limits 0 to 2. And this is 2 into 8, 16 by 3. Apply the upper limit first, 2 power 3 by 2 minus 0. And this is 16 by 3 into 2 root 2. So clear, this is 32 by 3 into root 2 square units. So this is the required area. So see the next one, find the area bounded between the curve y square equal to 4x, x square equal to 4by. Here a and b are positive. See here given curves, y square is equals to 4ax, this is equation 1, and x square is equals to 4by, so this is equation 2. So first you need to find the point of intersection of two curves. Now you are squaring on both sides, you will get x to the power of 4 is equals to 16b square y square. Now this is x to the power of 4, 16b square into y square value 4ax. Now here x is common, you will get x cube minus 16 into 4, 64ab square is equals to 0. So one is x is equals to 0, another one is what? X cube is equals to 4 cube a b square. So clearly x value is 4a to the power of 1 by 3, b to the power of 2 by 3. So clearly these are the point of intersections. Next we have to draw the graphs of equation 1 and equation 2. Now consider the coordinate axis. This is x and y axis. So this is origin. And here first one y square equal to 4x. So it represents parabola. And this parabola opens positive x-axis side. So this one. Y square is equals to 4ax. See the next one. X square equal to 4by. So it also represents parabola. And this parabola opens positive y-axis side. So like this. So clearly these two are the point of intersections. So this is 0 comma 0. See here and this length is what? 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3. Now here you need to find this area. Okay, so this is x square is equals to 4by. So here therefore the required area is a is equals to integral, what are the limits? 0 to 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3. And what is the upper curve? Y square equal to 4ax. From this y is equals to 2 root ax. And from equation 2, what is y value? 1 by 4b into x square. See here upper curve 2 root ax minus lower curve 1 by 4b x square dx. Separate the integration, you will get 2 times of integral 0 to 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3. So write root a outside, so 2 root a, here root x write as x to the power of 1 by 2 dx minus 1 by 4b into integration of 0 to 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3 x square dx. Okay. Now you know that integration of x to the power of 1 by 2 formula. See here, that is here 2 root a into integration of x power 1 by 2 formula. X power 1 by 2 plus 1, that is 3 by 2 by 3 by 2. So within the limits 0 to 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3. So next minus 1 by 4b integration of x square, that is x cube by 3 within the limits 0 to 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3. Now this is 2 into 2, so 4 root a by 3, and apply the upper limit first, that is 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 by 2 minus 0, and again minus 1 by 3 into 4 12b. So apply the upper limit first, x value is 4a power 1 by 3 b power 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3, so minus 0. Now this is 4 root a by 3, here 4 power 3 by 2, that is 2 square whole to the power of 3 by 2, you will get 8. Now here 3 get cancel, you will get root a, and b power 2 by 3 whole to the power of 3 by 2 is b. Okay. Minus 1 by 12b, 4 power 3, you will get 64, and a b square. So clearly 1b get cancel, and here 4 into 8, that is 32 ab divided by 3, and here minus 64 ab divided by 12. Now this is equals to 4 into 32, 128 ab minus 64 ab, that is 64 ab by 12. So clearly this is 16 ab by 3 square units. So this is the required answer. See the next one, find the area bounded between the curves y is equal to x square minus 5x and y is equal to 4 minus 2x. See here given curves y is equal to x square minus 5x, this is equation 1, and y is equal to 4 minus 2x, this is equation 2. Now you need to find the point of intersection of two curves. So equating both of them, you will get 4 minus 2x is equal to x square minus 5x. Now this is x square minus 5 plus 2, so minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is x plus 1 into x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now clearly x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to 4. So clearly these are the point of intersections. Now you have to draw the graphs of equation 1 and equation 2. So for that, consider the coordinate axis. Now draw the graphs of equation 1 and equation 2. See the first one, y is equal to x square minus 5x. Okay. Now this can be written as x minus half value of 5, that is 5 by 2 whole square, minus 5 by 2 square, that is 25 by 4 is equals to y. Now clear, this is x minus 5 by 2 whole square is equals to y plus 25 by 4. That can be written as y minus half minus 25 by 4. Now it in the form of x minus h whole square is equals to 4a into y minus k. So clearly h comma k, that is the center, 5 by 2 comma minus 25 by 4. Now clear, this equation represents the parabola, and this parabola opens positive y-axis side. And what is the center of this parabola? 5 by 2 comma minus 25 by 4. So clearly this is 2.5 comma minus 6.2. Now 2.5. So this one. Next minus 6 point something. So this one. So this is the center of the parabola. Okay. And if x is equals to 0, what is y value? That is 0. Equation on passing through the origin. Because of you put x is equals to 0, y value is 0. And what are the point of intersections? Minus 1 and 4. So minus 1. If you put x is equals to minus 1 here, what you get? Y value? X is equals to minus 1. So y value is 4 plus 2, 6. Next, if x is equals to 4, what is y value? 4 minus 8 minus 4. Therefore minus 1 comma 6, 4 comma minus 4. These two are the point of intersections. So minus 1 comma 6, this point, and 4 comma minus 4. So 4 comma minus 4. Now draw the graph using these points. So this is the graph of which one? Y is equal to x square minus 5x. Now draw the graph of y is equal to 4 minus 2x. So clearly second equation, 2x plus y is equals to 4. This is x by 2 plus y by 4 is equals to 1. So clearly x-intercept 2, y-intercept 4. So 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 4. And what are the point of intersections? Minus 1 comma 6. This one, and 4 comma minus 4. This one. Now draw the graph using this. Now clearly this line is what? Y is equals to 4 minus 2x. Now you need to find this area. Okay, so clearly minus 1 to 4. Minus 1 comma 6, 4 comma minus 4. These are the point of intersections. So therefore the required area is A is equals to integral. Take the x coordinates as limits minus 1 to 4. And clearly what is the upper curve? 4 minus 2x upper curve, and lower curve is x square minus 5x. So therefore this is 4 minus 2x minus x square minus 5x, okay, dx. Now I have to integrate this one. See here, this is integral minus 1 to 4. Now this is minus x square. Next 5x minus 2x plus 3x plus 4 dx. Now integrating separately, this is integral minus 1 to 4. So write minus outside of the integration, x square dx, plus 3 into integration minus 1 to 4 x dx, plus 4 into integration minus 1 to 4 1 dx. Okay. Now this is minus integration of x square. x cube by 3. So within the limits minus 1 to 4 plus 3 into integration of x square by 2 within the limits minus 1 to 4 plus 4 into x within the limits minus 1 to 4. Now clearly this is minus, apply the upper limit first. 4 cube 64 by 3 and minus of minus 1 whole cube. You will get plus 1 by 3. And this is plus 3 into, apply the upper limit, 4 square 16 by 2, that is 8 minus lower limit 1 by 2 and plus 4 into upper limit 4 plus 1. So this is minus 65 by 3. Now this is 16 minus 1, 15 by 2. So 15 into 3, 45 by 2. And this is 5 into 4, 20. Okay. So clearly LCM is 6. So 2 into 65 minus 130. Next plus 3 into 45, 135. And 20 into 6, 120. Okay. So clearly here 135 minus 130 is 5. 5 plus 120. So 125 by 6 square units. So this is the required answer. So for next session we will discuss more problems.